Imagine when you're about to die and the angels come to you and tell you, for you, there is good news of paradise. You don't need to worry, you don't need to fear. Imagine if the angels came to you and told you that. Wallahi, the Qur'an tells us that the angels come and say that to people. إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم توعدون. Those who believe and they are steadfast, the angels will come down to them at the point of their death, just prior to taking their lives away, and tell them, no need for fear, no need to be sad. We came to give you good news of paradise that you were promised. That's a message from Allah. Imagine you die smiling because you know, hey, I was just told I'm going to a beautiful place. Wallahi, my brothers, my sisters, work hard.